If you want to buy your hosting from Hosting and looking for an amazing deal, then this is the right time of the year to get your hosting from Hosting, because right now the Black Friday deals are running right now, and I will tell you how you can buy with two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running Black Friday deals. Isn't it amazing? So now what you have to do to buy your hosting from Hosting is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive buy now link, you will be landing to a page like this. Now the page color may fluctuate, but make sure to click on the link in the description to buy your hosting from Hosting. So you can see a Black Friday deal is running right now, and you can simply claim 30 days money back guarantee at Hosting. So what you have to do to simply select the claim deal over here, and you will move to their pricing plans. Now you know that you can use these coupon codes to buy any plan, and you're going to get additional discount. So right now additional discounts are running right now over due to Black Friday, but with my coupon codes you can get additional discount. Now you can buy any of the plans, so the coupon works in any plan, but I want you guys to do a thorough research and see what your needs are, and then do a decision to buy. So let's say we are going with a premium plan. Simply select the choose plan with any plan to get your maximum discount when you buy your hosting from Hosting. So make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hosting. So now you have select the choose plan. Now you are over here, so you can see that you can buy with the limited time, because this is exclusive deal specifically for my audience, so grab the maximum out of it. You can see your order summary before you buy. And now coming on to a billing period, Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods, so you can choose any 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. But if you ask me, I recommend you to offer the 48 months, so you can get the maximum discount. But again, you can choose any as per your convenience, because these prices won't appear again and one time to buy. So my recommendation again is to 48 months. Now you can select the domain right now, or you can select later on as well. For instance, if I want ABC9001, I can select my domain over here. I can select this one as well. I can select any, or I can say, let's say, going with this one. So I can even select later on as well. Simply select over here, and once I select the domain name, you can grab it for free for first year from over here. And now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link to buy your hosting. And once you use this coupon code, you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. So you may see over here, free 3 months extra free setup, free domain, no ICANN fees, domain privacy protection, all for free when you buy through the discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Now there is another coupon code as well, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hosting. So this is the good thing regarding Hosting, that you can use any of the coupon code to buy. And the best thing regarding Hosting is that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So enjoy your hosting from Hosting with this 30 days money back guarantee. Now select the continue and move on to the last part. You may be asked to log into your account, or you may need to create your account at Hostinger before you move on to the last part. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm going to the billing period, and now you have to write your billing address over here to buy your hosting. Once you write your billing address to buy, move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offers you variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hostinger, and that is a very good and flexible way, which I appreciate for Hostinger, that they offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hosting. You can use any one. Let's say going with the credit card, write credit card details and simply select the submit button, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hosting. And you can see your order summary over here, and yeah, enjoy your hosting from Hosting. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code when you buy your hosting from Hosting to get an amazing discount. So good luck with the hosting from Hosting. Good luck.